Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 257. And if we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 2, 3, and 6 here, so this is our 9. 2 and 9 here, or nope, sorry. 2 here, so 3, 6, 3 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7, oh wait. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column now, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 3, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. And for this column now, we're missing 6 and 7. So for this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 3, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 3, 6, 9. And no help here, 3, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6. 4 here, so 5, 6. 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 6, 4. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 7, 6. Can do a little bit of cleanup here. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. Oh, and this 6 makes this our 7, 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. So for this row now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. And for this box now we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.